you okay? Today I'm making a colour finder because I want to discover how many different things are in these colours in my garden. You can make one of these too. They're very easy to do, and then you can find all the things that are in the colours that you choose in your house or in your garden, or if you go out for a walk. So what do we need? Let's have a look. Well, first thing we need is some cardboard, and I find that cereal boxes are a really good thing to use because they tend to be a very light colour inside and they're quite stiff as well, so we need that. Now we need to make it round, so we need something like a cup or a glass. I got a glass here, so we're going to use that. But we need something for the middle as well, in there. And what I use is something like a lid. It could be a lid from a milk bottle. It could be a lid from a squash bottle. So the first thing that we need to do is to draw around the glass. So I've got a pen. You can use a pencil. And we're going to draw around our glass. Now, this cereal box has only got a blank side on one side, so I'm going to need to do 2 circles. Okay, I've got my 2 circles. Now I need to do the circles on the inside. I'm going to use my milk bottle lid. That's 1. And 2. So there we go. Now comes the tricky bit. We need a pair of scissors. I've got some very pointy scissors so I can get into the card to start. And then we need to cut it out. You might need a grown-up to help you here. So here we go. And there we go. That's our 2 circles cut out, ready for peering through. Now we need to choose what colours we are going to have to find. Well, on here we've got yellow and purple. Now in my garden there's lots of dark green, so maybe I will do a light green instead, because I think that's going to be harder for me to find things like green in my garden. And on the other side, I think light blue. That would be a good colour to choose. Now I'm using colouring pens, but you can use crayons or you can use colouring pencils. It's up to you. It's what you've got in your house. So now we've got to do the colouring. we've now got our 2 colour circles to do our discovering with in our garden or in the house or out on a walk. So we now got to put them together. I've put a stick on this one to make it easier to hold as we investigate, and it makes it look like a magnifying glass as well, which is much more fun. So what I used was a lolly stick. We've been eating lots of lollies in my house at the moment, so I've got lots of these around. But you may not have a lolly stick. You can choose something else, maybe a cocktail skewer, or make one out of the leftover cardboard that you have from your cereal box. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to attach our lolly stick, or whatever you use, to one side. So I'm going to use some sellotape. So I'm going to take a piece of sellotape and I'm just going to stick it to one side. There we go. So it's now stuck on. Now what we've got to do is to stick one side to the other. Now I'm going to use a glue stick, but if you don't have a glue stick you can use sellotape, or if you've got some PVA glue you can use that. It can be a bit sticky, so be careful. Right, so I'm going to use my glue stick. Put plenty on so it sticks down well. Ooh. Lots and lots of glue, lots and lots of glue. Right, here we go. And then I'll stick that one onto there and push it down really hard. You have to really push hard, otherwise it falls straight off again. That would never do. Right, here we go. Hey! Green on one side, blue on the other. You notice they're different sizes, because I do use different sized things. But that's okay, it doesn't matter. So, we've got our colour finders. All we need to do now is to go and find our colours. Are you ready? Come on, let's go and have a look. Quick! Fun. I enjoyed that. I think next time I go on a walk out I'm going to see how many more things I can find in these colours, because that was just too much fun. So have a go yourselves. See what things you can find and how many different things you can find in the colours that you make in your colour finders. Maybe you can let us know what different things that you find and how many you find with your colours. Anyway, until the next time, bye!